The casing is quite dusty, but we managed to get I don't know what you call this, but I believe it's the where you put all the data in, 500 GB. Confirm got something to do with that. We got a metal cage. I don't know what for my future projects. Let's see about it. We got pocket media drive bay, really hollow on the inside, with this thing and the cable. What else do you have? We have a fan which runs on 12 volts, I believe, so it won't be powered by 5. We got the LP power thing, the one that changes the voltage or something like that, if I'm not wrong. If we can check, it is AC input is about 240 volt, output it will be about 5 volt or 3.3 volt. Yeah, or 12 volt, depending. Okay, let me check again. Should be around 12 volts. I don't know why they say plus 5. Maybe some is plus 5, some is plus 12. Yeah, depending. Looking at all the cables, right, it looks like there's a 12 and 5 inside. I can also see like metal ring inside, but it's a transformer. I can't open it now. In future, we got the whole CPU, this thing. I think the reason why mine is spoiled is because it's quite dusty. Once there's dust, it's usually spoiled. And this should be the card. Let me try to take them out. This is the Let me focus for a while. 512 MB. This should be RAM. This should be RAM, I think. Let's check the other one. Whoa. Noisy, y'all. This is also 512 MB. RAM, if I'm not wrong. There's a heatsink MSI. Oops. A small battery. I don't know what for. Right? This is a battery, right? Not very sure. Oh, I accidentally broke something. Ah, screwed. Okay, then we got all the HDMI cable and stuff. I don't want to see the CPU though. So, if I'm not wrong, right, we take out like that. Let me try to focus first. How do you open it? Yeah, like that. And then take out the CPU chip. And there you have it. Made of 5 or even more 1,000 transistors, I think. Quite old and quite dusty. That's why it's not working anymore. I'm supposed so. And last but not, we have the second last one. The DVD drive. Something that I may need to use soon. And then last but not least, we have the metal casing. I don't know what I should do with it. I guess I can put some stuff. Anyways, I think that's a wrap for today. Thank you guys for watching. And see you guys next time. Goodbye guys.